Right, so we're looking at enlargement this time. Now, if you're just asked to enlarge a shape by scale factor 2, for example, you just make it twice as big. If you're asked to enlarge it, all the lengths twice as long, I should say. So if you're asked to enlarge something by scale factor 3, you make all the lengths 3 times as long, and that's sort of how it works. But when you've got a centre, not only do you make the shape twice as big or 3 times big or whatever the scale factor is, it needs to move away from that centre. The distance from the centre, needs to double. It doesn't always mean moving away, it depends if it's a fractional scale factor. So if I'm looking at this first one, enlarged by a scale factor 2, centre 0. So what I would do is pick one point. I'm going to pick this point here. Alright, now in order to get from the centre, which is here, to the point there, I need to go 2 along and 1 up. Now it's scale factor 2, so I need to double that, so I need to do another 2 along, 1 up. So that point moves to here. Alright, now from that point I should be able to work out, should be able to double all the lengths on the original shape. So this first bit was 3 down, so I should go 3 and 1, 2, 3. So there you go. Across was 2, so I should go 4. And so what I'm doing now is doubling all the lengths. Now, what a lot of people, you might see in revision guides and stuff like that, is they draw something called rays, which go through the centre. I can't do this with a ruler, unfortunately. That's not too bad though. If you draw a line going from the centre through the original point and the corresponding points should join up, and that's a nice way of checking that you're doing it right. Okay, now on the second one, we're enlarging by scale factor 3, centre the origin. Now the origin means 0, 0. Okay, so that's here. I'm going to pick a point. It doesn't really matter which one. Let's go this one. Alright, so it needs to be 3 times far away. At the moment it's 1 along, 1 up. I need to do that 3 times. So that is my corresponding point. Right, and from that point I need to make sure that every side or every length is 3 times long. So that was 1 down, so it's 3 down. It's 2 along, so it's 2, 4, 6. And then join up. That one will automatically be 3 times as long if the other 2 are. Again, I can draw my rays and it's going through. Look at that. Amazing. The other one you can see there on a line. So basically when you've got a centre, not only does the shape get bigger by that scale factor, or enlarged by that scale factor I should say, the shape moves away from the centre, or the distance from the centre, is multiplied by the scale factor as well.